Welcome to the Influencer Marketing Module. I'm your Dean of Hustle here at Jason Moore University. I'm excited to bring this class to the Online Academy because it's done a lot of things for me personally. It was presented to me at a conference. I can't remember which one, but I immediately took action. It was one of my 3 to 5 things that I gather at conferences that I'm going to go back and actually deploy in my local market. And this was one I was really excited to do that with. And it's done a lot of great things for me, both personally and professionally, in terms of relationship building and these great investments of wisdom into my mind. It's just made me just a better human. And I'm hoping that you're going to be inspired to take action. And the beautiful thing about this is it's not as complicated. It's not as daunting as it may seem. All right, so what we're really talking about here in influencer marketing, like why is it important? In the intro here, I want to cover this just for a minute, so bear with me. So the role of the modern real estate agent has changed, in my opinion. The modern real estate agent really needs to be a public figure. You can't be the guy behind the computer or the guy behind the sign or somebody that doesn't want to be the local celebrity in their marketplace, because that is who today's consumer is looking for. They're looking for the well-known, the go-to person, the person that is talked about most in the community, the person that's most recognized out at restaurants and out shopping in the marketplace. That's who they're looking for. And typically that person is the local market economist, has the most listings, is the best marketer, or has the most successful team. So this is where we're building up to. You want to become a person of local, hyper-local influence in your market. And the best way to do that is on the shoulders of the influencers that have already established themselves as such in your local communities. So we're about to dive right in, but I wanted to kind of plant that seed that, the issue most of you have is that you're known, you're just not well known. And if you follow the steps of this course, if you heed my advice, we're going to correct that, and we can make steps to correct that very, very quickly, and you will start to see results very swiftly. But just like anything else in this online academy, you got to take action.